Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you this amazing hair growth treatment that will help you to stop your hair from shedding, that will help you to regrow out your hair. If this is what you're interested in, please do it to subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first ingredient we'll be using is banana. Okay, we're using 2 bananas for this recipe. Banana is rich in potassium, which helps to improve blood circulation and deliver nourishment to your hair follicles. This promotes healthy hair growth and also prevent hair loss. Okay, so banana is really amazing. So I'm going to blend in this. Okay, then after blending it, I will pour it in my wig cap just to remove any chaff or anything. So like you can see right now, those ones did not blend well, which I blended them off camera. Pour them back because we need all the bananas. You can use more than 2 bananas depending on the size of your hair. Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze everything out, like all the juice, because that's what we'll be needing for this recipe. All right guys, so if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My YouTube is all about DIY hair growth treatment that will help you to promote your hair loss, that you're suffering from hair thinning, alopecia, thin edges and the rest. If this sounds interesting to you, please do it to subscribe, like, share and comment. So this is what we have. The next ingredient we're using is coffee. So this is coffee I'm using. Okay, so coffee is amazing for hair growth and it's also good for hair loss. Okay, the caffeine in coffee can promote hair growth and also help to stop hair loss. It stimulates the hair shafts, okay, causing the root of your hair to grow longer and wider. All right, so caffeine in coffee, okay, promotes blood flow to the hair follicles as well. So I'll just be using 1 teaspoon, okay, of coffee. Then I'm using my DIY hair growth oil. This is my DIY hair growth oil, okay, my herbal hair growth oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You have coconut oil, you have olive oil, sunflower oil, amla oil, any oil you have, you can use it for this recipe. And also you can also add honey to this recipe as well. That one is optional. So this is what we have. I'm going to be mixing everything together. Like I have to mix it so that the coffee can dissolve into the banana as well. Okay love, so please keep on watching to find out the ending result of this amazing hair growth treatment that will help you to stop your hair loss. All right, so if you've watched the other of my video whereby I did a wash day, this was the recipe I used for that wash day routine. And thank you all so much for the subscription, for the love. Thank you. We have reached 400 subscribers. Yay! I'm really super happy and super pumped. Thank you. God bless you all so much. Road to 500. So this is what we had. This is the consistency of the treatment. All right, so after this, I kept on mixing it to make sure that the coffee has really dissolved in the recipe. Then I'll transfer this in a smaller container where I'll take this to the bathroom and start to apply this all over my hair. So love, this is my hair all washed. I washed my hair. Make sure you apply this on a washed and clean and damped hair. Okay, so I'm going to be working this in section because it's much easier to work in section. And as I'm applying this on my hair, I'll also be finger detangling my hair as well. This treatment really helped my hair to improve in length, and also it helped my hair to stop like hair fall. All right, so you can use this treatment every time you are doing your wash day routine. This treatment is really amazing. You can use it for 1 month and see how your hair is gonna look like. Okay, then you can also switch it up with other hair treatment that you always do for your hair. So love, just want to say thank you again for the subscription, for the engagement. You guys are the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. Then I'll show you guys at the ending of this video how my hair is after I have washed this treatment out of my hair. When you apply this on your hair, please cover your hair with a nylon bag and leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, you can go to 1 hour if you don't have much doing. You start from the roots, work from the tip of your hair and work your way to the root of your hair, and always massage your hair so that you can apply this on your scalp and massage it for the blood circulation to for the nutrient to enter your hair. I think that makes sense. Yeah. All right, guys, so let me stop ranting and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. So loves, this is what my hair looks like after I've washed it. Like, it also defined your coils, because as you guys can see, I'm having some coils on my hair. All right, so let me know in the comment section, did you see any coils? Let me know. So I think I've come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.